Beautiful people, I'm doing this video for the sake of those that are asking or those that are saying Alkit isn't legit. Let me just go straight to my Gmail. As you can see, this is my Gmail here, and I'll be typing Alkit on my Gmail. In fact, see, it is loading by itself. There is no mago. I'm typing Alkit. As you can see, these are all the messages I'm receiving from Alkit. You understand? Withdrawal sent successful. Withdrawal sent successful. Withdrawal approved. You get? Take note that Alkit is paying. Take note that Alkit is doing what? Is paying. As you can see, in fact, I'm even shopping with the money I'm making on Alkit. So for you not to come and tell me that Alkit is this, withdrawal approved success. Withdrawal approved success. Transaction, debit transaction. As you can see, withdrawal sent. So these are money I am making from Alkit. Okay, let me just click on this withdrawal sent successful so that you will see. For those that are having issues, as you can see, it says your withdrawal amount of 5,000 naira has been sent into your provided account. If you get to withdraw 5,000 naira like every two days on Alkit, you will know that yes, Alkit is paying. So do well to click the subscribe button and join the family in case you want to see more videos on Alkit.